Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Planning and Design. As in the previous video, we have already discussed about some tools in menu bar. As we can see here, these are different kind of tools in menu bar, as we have discussed all of these tools. And now in today's video, we are actually going to discuss a very important command, units and limits. And once you have entered into your AutoCAD, you will always specify your units. And if you are a beginner, I will also specify you, I will recommend you to use always limits while you're drawing. So what I am going to do, let's getting started. First, you will go here in the command, type command, and you will click U and enter for units. This is actually a short key for units. As I have clicked, as you can see, this kind of tab will appear, and by default, as you can see here, your units will be in decimals. And you can go here, as we are concerning with housing works, we are changing this units to architectural or engineering. Now in this case, I am going to go with architecture, and now we have to specify our precision. Let's say 0 feet and 0 inches. And here, if you are working with architectural drawing, you should specify here the lowest units in inches. As you can see here, now you have to just click OK. And now see your line dimension. As you can see here, from here to here, I am just drawing a random line to check that I have applied units or not. I have applied already line, and now I want to check the dimension of this line. For example, from here I go to dimension, and in case if you don't have this kind of menu bar, you can go to here, and actually there will be an option of show menu bar. Because I have already shown my menu bar here. There is an option of hide menu bar. For example, I want to just show you this. I firstly click on hide menu bar, and you can see that the menu bar which was there before has actually disappeared. Now I'm again go to this and click, just check this button, show menu bar, and my menu bar has been appeared again. Now what I wanted to do, I just want to calculate the dimension of this line, and as you can see here that this line is not perfectly a linear line. So I'm just go here and just I want to calculate the dimension of a aligned line. So I'm just going to here and click on here, from here to here, and I will just drag it and drop it over here. Actually, as you can see here that I have already specified my units, but these are still in decimals. These are not in feet and inches. So for this purpose, we have to do another kind of setting, and I just go to command bar again. Actually, we have to specify our units for our dimension as well. We have to just go here, type command, and just click on just open up dimension style manager. The short key for opening up dimension style manager is D, enter. Now this kind of tab will appear here. Now you have to go to modify and just go to primary units and just check this box, and you can change it to your architectural units and just change the precision. And if you want to increase your size a little bit, you can do it from here. And I just want my dimension a little bit more apparent. Just I'm okay with 6. And also I want to specify the arrow size, and I want to increase a little bit like that. I'm just okay with that. Just click on OK, and now close up this, and now delete this previous dimension. Just click on that and delete button on keyboard, and now again go to dimension, align, as we have already specified our units. Now you will see that it will appear in feet and inches. Now as you can see that is 166 feet and 4 inches. And when you will be working in a professional drawing, every single time you have to specify your units in AutoCAD. And now the second thing I'm going to tell you is about limits. Actually, I'm going to tell you how to set the limits of your page from here to here. Actually, if you are a beginner, I will recommend you to always use limits in your drawing. And just I'm going to click LIM, enter. As you can see here, This type command option will help you a lot in your all drawings. As you can see here, what he is asking, that specify limit of lower left corner. So which is lower left corner of our drawing? This one is lower left corner, and this dimension will be always the limit of this corner will be always 0 0, as the type command is always by default it is providing 0 0, so we don't have to change it. Just click enter. And now what he is asking, to specify the limit of our upper left corner, actually this one corner, actually he is asking to specify the limit of this one. And now as you can see here in the type command option, I am specifying my x as 100 feet, and now I will press comma at my keyboard. Actually you can see that our x tab is locked, and now for example I will say that my y tab is 80 feet. Now I will going to click 80 feet, and I am just clicking on enter. Now our limit has been specified from here to here. Our x-axis from here to here is 100 feet, and our y-axis from here to here is 80 feet. So that's it for today's video, and thank you.